All right, here we go. We're at Joey Nova's Pizza. Brad, get in here.
Oh, fuck. That was my bad.
We just
You look better over here, actually.
Alright, and
Get the lighting.
wherever I look best. All right, yeah, guys. Okay, so this one's the buffalo.
Oh, yes.
Wait, actually, if you shift over, we could all get in there.
Oh. We going?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. All right.
Everyone get nice and friendly.
Yeah. Let's squeeze on in.
really get in there.
We're a family. We're a family. We just finished up helping JSM Brad on a nasty tuber job. Super mucky. You gotta love it. All right.
Really got it.
This looks good. So, yeah, everyone. I'm gonna grab a cheese.
Right here.
Yep. Yep. Go for it.
What's the other one?
Buff chick. If you can't do cheese, you can't do anything else right. So that's got to be the basis.
Oh, it's dripping.
Okay. Kobe, you in? Let's go. All right. One bite.
I just turned my.
A little hot. A little hot. With hot.
Oh. That's good pizza though. All right, let's go down the line. Out of 10.
10.
Rookie goes in.
8.7.
I'll give it a 9.
9 flat.
Where's the
7.5.
7.5.
6.5. I just went to Chicago and had pizza. So.
Okay.
Deep dish sucks.
Yeah, I hate deep dish. Not a fan.
8.6 repeated.
Okay. So that goes on forever. That goes on forever.
It's flat 7.
Flat 7.
Solid 8.
I'm gonna give this 8.3.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's a review.
Ooh, that chicken's good though.
Pick this shit up.
You just sit